always pointing the fingers towards narcissists and about how terrible they are and how they just leech off of you and how many years you waste with being with this narcissist and how they just take advantage of an empath and they're just sucking the life force out of us. And I'm here to share, like, why are we pointing towards the narcissist? Why are we constantly like putting these narcissists, allegedly putting them on this like pedestal of, the boogeyman? They are leeches, they're toxic, they're just not good people. And you just want to go ahead and continue to point the fingers towards a narcissist without even asking about, why is the empath allowing this? How is this person allowing them to continue to show them behavior and opinions and beliefs about them that they're not good enough, they aren't pretty enough, they're not sexy enough, they're not whatever it may be? The empath continues to question themselves and allows this kind of behavior. And this can go on for years and years. This could be a friend, this could be a family member, this could be a husband. Okay? How about that? It could be a husband, and you're going to continue to allow this person to show you behaviors and thought patterns about you that continue to tell you that you're not good enough. So you go to bed at night thinking to yourself, am I good enough? What can I do to make this person want me more? What can I do for this relationship to get better? And you start questioning like who you are, and you're going to bed at night feeling lonely, thinking to yourself like, why isn't my partner there for me? Why isn't my partner? It's time to stop pointing the fingers at narcissists and understanding that maybe you are an empath. But the thing is that you can be an empath and just feel others' essences and catch on to see if like they don't feel good and leave it at that. You don't have to continue to be a martyr and just be open, available, and gullible and allow yourself to continue to perpetuate this issue. The issue is that you're continuing to allow this person to come into your life to make you feel a certain way, to allow them to talk to you a certain way. They don't respect you, they don't love you, they don't really truly care for you, and they might not even care for themselves. What makes you think that they have the opportunity or bandwidth to share with you any kind of true, authentic love when they don't even show themselves that? Do they even know what that means? What was this relationship even founded off of? Have you asked yourself these things? And these things are so important because we sit and we stay in these relationships or these situations where you allow this person to continue to show you that they truly don't care, that they're not for you, but you continue to allow it. And you're just pointing your finger at, gosh, this person's such a narcissist, gosh, but then you're doing everything that you can to continue to make them stay. For what? We're breaking our own heart. We're wasting our time. You could be investing more time into yourself and understanding what your patterns are so you can grow and expand and maybe attract something else and something different. And it doesn't have to be a relationship or another friend or a family member. It can be an experience. But right now, you're so focused on this train wreck, this person, this Frankenstein, that you think that you see the future with this person because you've been with them for so long. Maybe this relationship was founded off of this amazing memory that you guys had in the beginning. This friendship, this family member, you can't let them go because they're supposed to be there. That's what you think, right? Society says that you have to be there. They don't want to be there. So what are we going to decide? Are we going to continue to point our fingers at these narcissists and tell them like how toxic they are, how terrible they are? Or are we going to say, you know what, that's it. I'm going to choose myself. I'm going to create a boundary, a firm boundary, and I'm just not going to invest any more time and space and energy in this, whatever this is. Again, family member, husband, relationship, whatever it is. Continuing to point the fingers and say how they're just sapping your energy, you're allowing it. And once you stand firm in your power and in your energy and your boundaries, It is going to be uncomfortable in the beginning, but once you step towards that, the less that's going to happen because you are just not allowing it. It is a privilege to be in your presence because you are great. You are powerful. You are the light shining within. So many amazing things I can call you right now. Instead of blaming this person, how pessimistic they are, how they just don't want to do anything, and why don't they like anything that you like? Step back. Ask yourself, is this really worth it? You could be doing so many cool things right now. And maybe if you don't have the strength to completely leave the situation just yet, that's all right. Start doing things that you want to do now while you're in it. And that person can either gravitate towards you and be inspired by what you're doing, what you're saying, or it could pull you guys apart. It's your choice.